Hi, my name is Muhammad Afiq bin Kamrahuddin, but I am also known as Afiq K. I am now 24 years old and I am from Malaysia, proudly born and raised in Kuala Lumpur. After graduating from secondary school in 2012, I went to further my studies in Foundation of Arts in English for about a year, and then I continued with my degree in TESOL, that is Teaching English as a Second Language, from 2015 and finally completed my studies earlier this year back in January. During my degree years, I had the opportunity to do my practicum at two elementary schools, which I taught English and PE for year 2, 3, and 4. I actually have a picture of me and my class. This is the year 2, and this is from the school where I did my practicum. One of the schools, yeah. Besides that, I was also a substitute teacher at my old high school for about half of a year in 2018, where I taught Form 1 and Form 2 students English and art subjects. Well, apart from teaching, I also have experience in working with my family business for the sales and marketing department, where I do research and generate marketing plans for promotions through social media. Okay, so now I would like to take a few minutes to show you a short lesson demonstration. So let's take a look at the whiteboard, and I will be teaching about idioms. So these are the lesson objectives. The first one would be to get the students to define what is idiomatic expressions. And secondly is to get them to give correct meaning of the idiomatic expressions used in the selection. Okay? And as for the subject matter, the focus will be, of course, idiomatic expressions. And the theme diagram is through matching activities. So without any further ado, let's get to it. Hello class, my name is Teacher Afiq, and today we are going to learn about 5 interesting idioms. So what is the definition of idioms? They are basically phrases, okay? Phrases that have different meaning behind what is being said. For example, when someone says, this question is a piece of cake. A piece of cake means something that is very easy to do, okay? So, can you repeat what is the definition of idioms? Phrases that have a different meaning than what is being said. Very good. Okay, now that you know the definition of idioms, let's get to the activity. So on the left hand side of the board, we have 5 interesting idioms that I've come up for you today. And on the other side of the board are the meanings behind each of these phrases, okay? So let's take a look at the first one. Feeling a bit under the weather. Here's an example of a situation. Hey Mike, I don't think I can come to the party tonight. I'm feeling a bit under the weather. I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Sorry. So what does it mean? Is it a difficult task to solve? Is it not feeling well? Is it latest possible time? Is it very expensive? Or is it rarely happens? Can you tell me which one is the answer? Not feeling well. Very good, guys. Okay. Feeling a bit under the weather means not feeling well. Alright, let's carry on. Once in a blue moon. Here's an example of a situation. Wow, it's snowing in Thailand. This is something that happens only once in a blue moon. So which one is it? Can you tell me which one is the answer? Rarely happens. Very good, guys. That is correct. Okay, let's get to the next one. Cost an arm and a leg. What does it mean? Here's an example of situation. Wow, the new iPhone 10 is $1,000. That's gonna cost me an arm and a leg. What does it mean then? Can you tell me? Very expensive. Correct. Alright, moving on. At the 11th hour. Okay, here's an example of situation. Hey Susan, Greg just called. He's postponing the meeting at the 11th hour. Quang, quang, quang. So, what does it mean? Can you tell me? Latest possible time. Very good. Okay, good job guys. Now down to the last one. A hard nut to crack. Here's an example of a situation. Wow, this mathematic question is a hard nut to crack. And we only have one answer left, which is, of course, a difficult task to solve. And that's about it. Well done, everyone. Congratulations. Till next time, bye-bye. Well, that is all from me. In a nutshell, I love teaching English and I love working with the youth so I can inspire them with all that I've learned throughout my life. So I am eager to share my knowledge, skills, and positive energy to your school. And furthermore, I am very excited to come to Thailand as it will be my very first time going there. So I'm really looking forward to learn about the rich culture and embrace the beautiful landscape of Thailand. Hope to hear from you all soon. Bye ก่อนนะครับ สวัสดีครับ